Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dwi Rizki. This video is final project. My final project is the title and analysis on the student ability in writing narrative text at the 10th grade of SMAN 3 Pandeglang. Chapter 1, Introduction. The first one is background. In learning process, students get some skills related to the proficiency of students. There are 4 basic skills that can be mastered by students. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing as a paramount importance. Listening and reading are receptive skills, while speaking and writing are productive skills that important for students to learn. The next, formulation of the problem. How is the student ability in writing narrative text at the 10th grade of SMAN 3 Pandeglang in the academic years 2020 until 2021? And the next objectives of the research, to analyze how the student ability in writing narrative text the 10th grade of SMAN 3 Pandeglang in the academic years 2020 until 2021. And the next, chapter 2, theoretical review. The first one is definition of writing. Writing is often helpful like a preparation in other activity, especially when the student write as an opening to discussion activities. This gives students time to think up ideas rather than having to come up with instant, fluent opinions, something that many, especially at lower levels, find difficult and awkward. And the next, definition of narrative text. The narrative text, one of the most widely read but least of all understanding in all genres. Another term for story is narrative. Essays are a form of non-fiction, so a true story is told in a narrative essay. And the next, chapter 3, research method. The first one is characteristic and type of research. The research conducted appropriate method. Indeed, there are some methods of analysis that you would like to use in a report. And the next, data search. SMAN 3 Pandeglang conduct this analysis to obtain the researchers needed reliable data search for accurate data from this study. And the next, data collection technique. Therefore, the data would be gained through several techniques as follows: interview and documentation. And after that, data analysis technique. Data analysis is the most dynamic and step of qualitative analysis. The technique of data analysis of the present research in the following options. The first, familiarizing and organizing, coding and reducing, and the last, interpreting and representing. The last one is approach. This approach uses a case study. Case study is describing a phenomenon clearly. It has some research procedure, namely the first, selecting the problem, and the next, review the literature on the problem, and the next, designing the research, and after that, collecting the data, and the next, interpreting the finding and stating conclusion, and the last, reporting research. I think enough this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.